In this video, I'll show you how to remove virus from your Android phone. You can use some methods to remove virus from your phone. For the first method, just open up your Google Play Store. After open the Google Play Store, just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Then go to Play Protect option. Now from here, you can scan your all the phone apps. Just tap on scan. Give it a moment. You can see it's scanning your phone apps. And it's done. You can see there are no harmful apps or virus in my phone. Now for the second method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll all the way down, go to device care option. From here, just scroll down a bit and go to app protection option. You have to just tap on scan phone option. Then it will scan your all the phone apps and phone settings. So just give it a moment and the scan is complete. You can see there are no threats found in my phone. And that is how you can remove virus from your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.